Question: how much of your week is spent on things you never really wanted to do? Think about it. For a long time, I kept saying yes, not because I wanted to, but because I didn't want to disappoint people. A colleague needs help with an assignment, yes, even if my own work was pending. An acquaintance wanted company somewhere, yes, just to be polite. So on the surface, it looked generous, but in reality, I was exhausting myself. And saying no isn't arrogance, it's clarity. It tells people your time has value. Now I ask myself one question: does this align with what I'm building right now? And if it doesn't, I decline calmly. No guilt, no drama. Remember, after 50, your time is premium. Do not spend it on things you never really chose. Share this with someone who says yes all the time. I'll see you in the next one.